Right, another WD40 life hack is if you've got dirty, rotten bits of headlights and you want it to get nice and clean. Look at all that dirt there, guys. That, you know, you can either wash it, but if you ain't got time for that and you've got a little bit of WD-40 and you've got 5 minutes on your lunch break and you want to spruce it up a little bit, just do a little bit like this. Nice little generous. Go on, Kyle, give it some of that. That's it. Over that. That's it, buddy. Nice circular motions, that's right. You can go back and forth, circles, squares, like we say, we don't discriminate. And this will work on all headlights, especially if the headlight is worn and you've got that clouding on it. It gets it off and gives it a nice gloss, shiny finish. As I say, it's not bad. It does the job. To the point you can even see the bulbs. I know, yeah, look at that. Just want a bit of WD-40, yeah, you would have thought. Thanks again, guys.